Hi, I'm Chase Turner, and this is Coolest Cars on Campus. So, how long have you had this car here?
Since February.
February. So, what is your favorite thing about this vehicle?
Probably the color and the ride. Sporty.
So, if there was one thing that you could change about this vehicle, what would it be and why?
I'd slow it down. No, seriously, it's got too much horsepower. And it's too fast for the city streets. It's more like a race car. So,
Speaking of which, what kind of engine does this car have?
that's a 6.2 supercharged V8, 600 horsepower, 650 horsepower.
All right, Mr. Shilling was kind enough to let me sit inside this car, so let's go take a closer look. So, right here you can see the speedometer. It's telling me how many G's I'm reading.
Right over the dash.
Right, wow, yeah, right over the dash it's showing me the speedometer and the G-forces that I'm getting, would be getting in this car. And just sitting inside, it has a really nice feel. It's just a really awesome car. It's, yeah, nice black leather interior. Yeah, this is sick. Feel real low to the ground. This is a pretty cool car. It's very awesome.
Light, eh?
Yeah, it is real light.
It's 2.5 pounds. We'll see you later.
He almost just lost control.